So today we're going to be making one of the most iconic summer cocktails of all time, the Mojito. Very few things can beat a mojito on a hot summer day, so let's do it. We're going to start off with half of a lime quartered, and we're going to muddle that down to get the juices out. And we're going to grab about 8 to 10 mint leaves, give it a nice slap to release those oils, and then we're going to add half of an ounce of simple syrup. Mine's brown because I used a demerara sugar, and then we're going to add 2 ounces of white rum. At this point, I like to give a nice light muddle just to work the mint throughout the drink here, and we're going to set that aside, and we're going to make some crushed ice. You can really use any type of ice for this drink you like, but I like it crushed, so we're going to go ahead and pound this out in our Lewis bag, and then we're going to add it to our glass. And at this point, I like to give a nice stir just to work the ice throughout the drink, and then we're going to go ahead and top it off the rest of the way with ice. We're going to add our club soda, which exploded all over me. Don't make this rookie mistake. Oh my goodness, how could I do that? All right, once we're dried off, we're gonna go ahead and add club soda to the drink just to top it off and give it a little bit of bubbly. I like to stir that soda through before we add our garnish. So we're gonna take a bunch of mint, go ahead and cut off the stems, and we're gonna slap this against the glass to release those mint oils and throw it in for our garnish. Lastly, we're gonna add a straw, and that right there, my friends, is a delicious mojito. All right, and after all of that, we finally have our finished mojito. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Just as you would expect, minty, sweet, tart, all these flavors working really well together. I do like that demerara sugar in there, just adds a little more of that cane flavor, which I think works really well in the mojito. I would also recommend trying some different rums for this drink. You don't have to just use silver. You can add some dark rums for a little bit more depth of flavor. It's gonna change the color of the drink, which some people may not be used to, but definitely worth trying in my opinion. So refreshing. I mean, who doesn't love a mojito in the summertime? Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe. And down in the comments, I want to know your version of a mojito. I feel like this is a drink where everyone kind of has their own way of making it, and I would love to know what your favorite version is down below. But that'll be it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.